was down and out and feeling so low. You took my hand and eased my mind. I was astray, you showed me the way, and now I finally found my home in you. I still recall the times I've been through, confused and didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. You were always there to lend a helping hand when good friends were hard to find. When things went wrong, you made them right. You made my days so bright. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. Now look at me, yes, a different man, back in my arms again. I'm not afraid to face the world again, 'cause you taught me how to be strong. You made me live again. You made me live again. You made me live again. I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed. everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had it down. We'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Tungkol nung malagit ka ay ayame, dahil tuwirik na biyag ko kumustakan siya kadime at ka tarik na ket na siya hindi ko na sikalat at da panunod ko kasla maperdi to'y ulo gapot rito day to'y puso mangrema sakin ka adi na ay suratan, di na ay awagan, kastoy ka kinagkinarian. Kunang nga inoran oras, asikan tumawa. Kunang alinawas, patuludan ng isura. Uray may sa awan tinumpal mo, inuulbod lating kaisa sao. Tungkol nung malagit ka ay ayame, day tirik na biyag ko kumustakan siya kadime at da tarik na ket na siya hindi ko na sikalat at da panunod ko kasla maperdi to'y ulo nga putrituer day to'y puso mangrema sakin ka tadi nakay suratan di nakay awagan kastoy ka tinagkin na riyan kunam nga inoran oras asikan tumawa kunam linawas patuludan nagtisura uray may sa awan tinumpal mo inuulbod lating kain sa sao uray may sa awan tinumpal mo inuulbod lating kain sa sao. Para bangon mangegmusang sa miwe ni aya ay sa papel na siraya tasiban mo akong nana ay ayatin ka di may sa alangteken ka ket puso nga agrubab ken ka ngem di mo pulos apagarte at nagain pen naka tigang tamang sagi kita puso siyak tagrayo ken ka sikalae biyag ko nga minawan kapan-anam nga nagtaong ka awan makapulog nga dakato'y puso sikalae biyag ko. Sa anang teken ka ket puso nga aglupap ken ka ngem di mo pulos apagarte at tagain pen naga tigan tamang sagi di ta puso siyak tagrayo ken minawan kapan-anam nga nagtaong ka awan makabulog nga dakato'y puso sikalaen biyag si kalaeng biyag ko. Si kalaeng biyag ko. Sidong mo, alingag man pitik to'y puso. Tapnuling kamay mo tek-tekan kay papanan to'y napuno panagayat ko. Inventap mo ayat ko, balikas ni karayo. Ang ibig saan gagal kaniliw ko nga agsada kita arpag mo. Iwaksim ni panatuadwa tasagrapen tatilipnos na. Tuy ayat ko para kenta agnanayon awan patinggana. Mensahe ni Ayan siya sindupay ti pangyawata nudilaeng siksika nga puunday to'y biyan. Hingka kumasa puyute samit tiro day to'y ayan. Tapno nagsanang rimat kaungkang amang umpan arapaak tatibiyan. Iwaksim ni panatuadwa nasagrapen tatilipnos na. Tuy ayat ko para kenta agnanayon awan patinggat na. Mensahe ni Ayan siya